Hello, welcome back. Today we're talking about these things. Mess trays. Well, they help reduce mess. But these trays, these awesome things. For me, they're awesome. Little behind the scenes quirk about me. Uh, my food, when I eat, I prefer it to either be one conjoined service, such as a burrito, enchilada, chimichanga, casserole, lasagna, cake, so on and so forth. Or things separated on a plate and preferably not touching. Only touching when I introduce them to each other on my eating utensil, which becomes somewhat difficult during the holidays, as does something that's notoriously difficult for almost everyone during the holidays: portion control, which is one reason these things are awesome during the holidays. Because you can portion up your whole meal, including dessert, in one tray and just not allow yourself seconds, which still really difficult. However, it does make it a little bit easier to just allow yourself one tray. So when people see pictures, for us, for example, our family, when people see pictures of our Thanksgiving table, they see one or more of these, one adult, one of these, and they see at least one kiddo, one of these usually, sometimes, or they might see a plate. But that is because I use these, and I'm not ashamed to say it, because it helps me with food not touching, and it helps me with my portion control. And if someone's got a problem with my table having one of these in a picture, tough bubbles. That's life. And if they don't like it, they don't have to eat at my table. But guess what? They weren't invited anyway, so it's all cool. It's a nifty little handy thing. You can find these all over the internet. They're on Amazon, everywhere else. This is not sponsored. I couldn't probably tell you which brand this is anyway. They do come in dishwasher safe. They come in a plethora of colors, materials, textures. So if you've got texture sensitivities, you can probably find textures that work for you or your family. They come in disposable and non-disposable. They come in metal and plastic, and this one is even, I believe, a bamboo-based composite, but it still sounds like a plastic, and it works for me. Might not work for you or your family, but it might. If it's something that's important for you or someone in your family, I thought it was worth sharing because it has made a huge impact for me for, again, portion control and food separation. Got to keep them separated. So, thought I'd share that for anyone it might help. And that's it for today. For all of you out there, it's not always easy to have autism or other special needs, or be parent to autism or other special needs, or sometimes even to be a primary support in any way, shape, or form. So if you're having a hard time, whether you have autism or another special need or Tourette's or anything, whether you've got something else going on, whether you're a caretaker for someone with something going on, or some difficulty that the world doesn't quite understand yet, that's understandable. Your challenge is real. Your struggle is worth it. You are worth it. The person that you care about, yourself or other individual or individuals, they're worth it. Life isn't easy. Don't give up. Hang in there. You and everyone you care about are loved. All right? And sometimes we just need that reminder. So hang in there. Breathe for a moment. Take care of yourself. Don't give up. You matter, and this world needs you and all that you do and will do. I'll see you next time.